Good morning, happy Monday. I'm going to start this week by throwing Katie, my wife, under the bus. Um, it's all right, she can take it. So I want to tell you about a conversation that we had last night. I just, for context, there's been tons of work. Canada Day, I worked all day. This Saturday, I worked all day. This Sunday, I worked all day. But all of this time, really, all my focus went to the business, right? Not so much my own fitness. So I had made the decision that today was the day, Monday, I was going to start. So last night I told Katie, "Hey, you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to go work out at 5 a.m." And she said, "Oh, wow, good for you." And I have a full day from 9 to 6 p.m. I think back to back with clients, and then I said, "Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for my workout, and then I'm gonna go for a walk. Then I'll come back. I'll have my coffee. I'll have a shower." I was planning my week, right? I was in my calendar planning my week, and here's what she said. She said, "Wow, must be nice to be able to do what you want." And I was like, hit the brakes, and I'm like, no, like I'm getting up early enough so that I get to do what I want. Anybody can wake up earlier and get shit done, right? I was just not choosing to do that. Straight up, right? You got to take ownership. The reality is that it's so easy for us to, and we both laughed, like it's not like, whatever. We both laughed and that was the end of it. But this is often how we think, is it not? Wow, must be nice. If someone is, in really good shape, or if someone, I don't know, does well, financially or whatever, our egos try to protect ourselves by saying, well, they must have a crazy advantage that I don't have. So of course they can get that. Of course they can have that. But the reality is that it's always a choice, right? And so my message to you this morning is just, don't allow yourself to trick yourself into believing your own excuses. If you want it, go get it, period. End of story, right? It doesn't matter. I mean, maybe you need to get up earlier, like I did, or maybe you need to stay up later. There's always something that you can give up, and trust me, I've heard it all. Well, I've got kids, blah blah. By the time yeah, but you know what? We put our kids down, and then usually, yeah, maybe you try to be productive and you still work or do stuff around the house, but sooner than later, it's probably 10 p.m. You're done, but you don't go to sleep. You're like, all right, now it's relaxing time, and you go on your phone, you watch Netflix. Maybe you don't, but that's what I was doing, right? And I've just made a different decision now, and to just get back to my normal, and therefore I'm going to benefit from that decision, right? So again, my friends, do not allow yourself to trick yourself into believing your own excuses. If you want it, go get it. If you don't, then just don't say anything. All right, guys, I hope that is somewhat useful. Again, I'm not perfect. Literally today was my first day back from 3 months of going into battle mode, right? But I love it. This is where we're at. Guys, have a fantastic week. I love your faces, and I'll see you soon.